Hi and welcome! In this video we will show you one of the most fundamental exercises, where even older children and adults often have significant difficulties. This exercise teaches you how to perform a proper flutter kick, the technique used in both freestyle and backstroke, by guiding you through 3 easy steps. Let's dive right into the exercise. Step 1. Ideally, have your child sit on a step leading into the water. In the best case, your child's legs should be about halfway submerged. If that's not possible, you can also do this exercise at the edge of the pool. Though it's more difficult to perform it correctly there, and the learning effect is smaller because the legs are mostly in the air. It's best if you sit next to the child to demonstrate the exercise. By the end of the lesson, however, the child should be able to do it alone. Step 2. First, fully straighten the legs, then point the feet. We suggest doing each action separately, so your child can remember the movements more easily. Step 3. The legs are moved slowly up and down. This motion becomes stronger over time. The movement of the legs always comes from the hip and thighs, never from the knees. Even with a strong leg kick, the legs and feet should stay as straight as possible. Let's take a look at this underwater. As you can see, even Lucas can keep his legs perfectly straight once the kick becomes really strong. Still, most of the motion comes from his hips and thighs. Ideally, the legs would be even straighter. If you're a strong swimmer yourself, you might assure that in a freestyle kick, the legs are never completely straight. That's true. However, more than 90% of children and many adults as well tend to blend their knees too much. This exercise helps counteract that tendency. And with that, we've reached the end of this video. You can find more exercises on swimy.org. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.